I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a saved session. Once ready, open Settings right away using Windows key plus I or Start then Settings. This gets you directly to system controls so you can change network adapters. Make sure you are on the account that set up the VPN because permissions matter. Next, click Network and Internet to reveal the VPN section. Doing this first reduces confusion later and ensures you won't disrupt other adapters. Once in VPN, you'll see Configured Connections. If the VPN is active, click the connection and choose Disconnect. This stops traffic immediately. If you intend to keep the profile but stop auto-connecting, open the profile and disable Connect automatically or toggle any always-on features. If you want it gone, use Remove to delete the profile completely. Removing is permanent for that account, which is useful when troubleshooting or switching providers. After disabling or removing the VPN, confirm your internet works and that your IP/address no longer reflects the VPN. This verifies success. If traffic still routes through the VPN, restart Windows or right-click the network adapter in Device Manager and disable then enable it. This clears binding issues. If the VPN profile won't delete or reappears, reinstall or run the vendor's uninstall tool and then remove the profile again. This fixes stubborn clients and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.